Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the hardware and protecting your data. Once done, back up everything because enabling developer mode will factory reset the device. Make sure you know the model-specific key combo for recovery. You'll need it to access recovery and toggle developer mode. Next, prepare a USB recovery stick in case you need to restore. Finally, enable developer features in settings or via the recovery prompt so you can access ADB and OS level options required for the next steps. Now you install the Android runtime container that hosts Google Play. First, enable ADB debugging in developer features and, if present, enable Linux beta so you have a terminal environment. Once enabled, download the matching arc/Android container image for your Chrome OS Flex build. Connect your device to a host computer. Use ADB to push and install the container image, and follow on-screen prompts to finalize file system placement. Make sure versions match. Mismatches cause boot failure. Finish by activating the Playstore inside the newly installed Android container. You'll open Android settings, sign into your Google account, and enable the Google Play Store toggle. Then launch Playstore and attempt a simple app install. Once done, make sure apps run and permissions are granted. If you see errors, clear Playstore and Play Services caches, reboot the container, and try again. If the system becomes unstable, use your USB recovery stick to restore Chrome OS Flex, or reflash the container image with corrected files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.